So you finally decided to have a hair transplant. Let me take you through the typical day of what a hair transplant procedure entails. The first step is to ensure that you've had plenty of food to eat for breakfast, plenty of water, and making sure that you are thoroughly washing your hair prior to your hair transplant. The next step is that you're going to be greeted by our lovely receptionist as well as our nursing staff. This is going to be your room. This is the consultation room, and it's your safe haven throughout the day. This is where you can pop your stuff down, put on a gown. One of our nurses will take your vital signs, make sure that you're feeling well and prepared for the day. Prior to the doctor coming in, we'll have a head wash, and then one of our lovely doctors will join you for the consultation. This is essentially where we begin the consultation. We'll discuss and ensure that you are suited for the procedure. We'll design the hairline together and make sure that the hairline design is something that you are happy with. And then we also do some calculations to make sure that the hairline is possible and we can provide you with the outcome that you desire. Once we have agreed on that, we'll begin the head shave and then get you prepared for the extraction process. And this is our procedure room. This is where we do the extraction as well as implantation. Come around. This is where we perform the extraction. A lovely patient is usually laying face down. Patients usually have a snooze during this process while we're extracting the hairs, while the lovely nurses and assistants are performing the count. Once we have the full count, that's when we can be sure that we're going to have an appropriate coverage for the implantation process. Once we finish extraction, we take a break and then we'll come back in and we'll be ready for the implantation process. The implantation is a lot more comfortable. You'll be on your phone, you can watch some lovely Netflix, all while we are designing the hair of your future. This is where we hand you a lovely mirror. You can have a look at your results. Once you're happy, we bandage you up. You can begin the healing process.